What's going on, y'all? We are back with another video today, and as you can see, it is a snow day in Alabama.
We got our dog out here. That old lady. Oh, in case y'all don't know, we got two dogs now. We got her, and then we got another little boy. His name is Kane.
Can't come outside right now.
No, he can't. He gotta get one more round of shot. And let me tell you, that little nigga, he a handful, boy. I'd rather deal with him than a baby. That's just my opinion, though.
That boy crazy.
He is. But yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do, but she's outside.
Yeah.
Come on. Nothing.
It's been how many years since we had snow in Alabama?
The last time we really had real snow was like back in 2022. No, 2020.
2020, yeah.
What is you looking at? Oh Lord, she about to start.
See a dog?
Oh, that bird. Go get it, Nala. Go get it. Oh shoot. Hey, don't forget them people in the office. She ain't on the lease. It's been a long time since we actually filmed a YouTube video. The last video I uploaded, that was back in December, but that was from July. So
yeah.
Yeah. And then see what she do.
No, he got it.
Oh, it's a cat.
Look at her now.
I know, right?
Yeah.
I think she likes it. You better get it all while you can, because probably tomorrow this stuff will be gone. I think it's supposed to rain later.
You said what?
It's supposed to rain later.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
You know, it's crazy.
Nala, what is you doing?
And one
Nala.
is this guy, Connor Garrity.
Girl, get
We've
up.
already met. It's a waste of my time.
Nala.
To the new guy.
I thought she was asleep.
You would?
Nala, what is you doing? She just came in from outside.
Yeah, Harry, what you find?
Nala, you ready to go outside?
Harry, nice squeaky.
What are you eating? Here. Okay, bro. You got it.
He's like, nah.
Good boy. Alright. Alright, YouTube. So we're about to make the chicken and dumplings now. Got some celery, onion, garlic, and some carrots. Yeah, that's what you need. I used 3 cloves of celery, 3 celery sticks, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, and I had to use some baby carrots because they didn't have full carrots. So, and I think I was out of focus, but don't matter. Alright, but we're about to season the chicken now. Now I let it soak in vinegar and water. Alright, y'all, we're about to season the chicken now. Got some Tony Satchers Creole seasoning. Herb, whatever. Cajun seasoning. Just a little bit.
I'm glad I said something, though.
That hot. This is gonna be a 1-pot recipe. We'll be doing 1 pot because I ain't washing all the dishes. But anyway, look at what we're looking like now. That looks so good. You can't tell me that don't look good. I burned the wall. Don't worry about that. But anyway, yeah, this chicken look good. And it's about done. We better get ready to do these vegetables. 1 can of cream of chicken. Oh, you can't.
I gotta be able to see you.
No, not really. I don't want to be in the camera. Yeah. A whole thing of chicken broth. Gotta season it some more. They're gonna be like, don't you think that's enough seasoning? Who cooking here? Who cooking? Okay. Alright, now you gotta put your chicken in there when it starts boiling. Baby, okay. Alright, folks. I've trial and error of the biscuits. Or the dough, whatever you want to call it. It is done. And it looks really good, don't you think? You can't see it.
Why is it doing that? Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks like porridge.
Paid Mark Simon from.
Now that sounds like more Agent Quinones innuendos.
You like it?
He's been fixated
It's good.
on his
Am I getting fucked?
Really good.
Are you getting what?
Get your time.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, say goodbye.
Alright, y'all. So this is the end of our video. Go ahead and just share this to your peoples, and your peoples, and your peoples, and family. Don't forget to like, share, like I said before, and just make sure
And comment.
and comment. Please comment, please, because that's gonna help us. Alright, peace.
Y'all stay blessed.